So we're pulling into Lombok, Indonesia here. Main town is Lombok. Another one of the many islands here in Indonesia. So people in little outriggers, and they got lots of ferry boats here. See two out there in the distance over here. Get between all these islands.
So ladies and gentlemen, you can see the small houses. There is a property. A property, they have developer. The system to get this house, normally we pay the house with a crystal rice, because now is a rice season. So what you will see on the Menara, on the top, look like a clump, and the top have a clump, and the then I just creating to be one province. So because Lombok, Sumbawa, and Komodo. So Sumbawa in between Lombok and... Okay, this is our biggest mosque on Lombok.